Hello, this is making scratch games in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and then an hour. Let's see, let's go. This is 1 minute, and I need to hurry up. My computer is lagging, so that's not really helping. I waste almost 10 seconds because of the lag, and because I'm bad at aiming with my mouse. And the click button doesn't work, so I'm just doing simple zoom in stuff because it's not a quick game without those, and I recently just learned and memorized those, so I'm going to use them every chance I got. I just put that there. Yeah, I kind of ran out of time. I can't stop exactly at 1 minute, so don't destroy me in the comments. And yeah, this is the game. You can tap on the cat. Might be better than cookie clicker. This is 10 minutes of making a clicker game. I have a lot more time, so I'm going to do a bit more advanced stuff. First of all, I need to do the scripts one before, but with some extra pizzazz or something if I use that right. Scratch has been really glitchy for me. I think it's because of Scratch add-ons. I think Scratch add-ons need to be fixed. I might start making these videos in Turbo Warp. Oh look, I'm making a cookie now. This took more time than the actual code. Wait, actually I'm wrong. And yeah, it's pretty much a working clicker game now, so good in a couple minutes. I'm making an upgrade. I can't make them like change in price. That'd take too much time. Because making a 10-minute cookie game is apparently harder to make than a 1 minute one. And also at times there'll be huge jumps, but you can see that the timer jumps for it as well, so I'm not cheating. And if I am cheating, I'm not. Sound. Like all good cookie games, they have sound. I think this is actually better than the 10-minute. Wait. I think this one's actually better than the 1 hour one. They're just adding some final touches. Like some sparkliness. And as you can see, that I jump forward in time and it looks better. And yep, see? And yeah, the game's pretty much done. The rest of the time I just look at my code. I probably could have added extra. I'm just really bad. I might do another video. I don't really like limiting myself. Anywho, this is the finished product. Zoom in. Come on, past me. There. So you can tap. Have I annoyed you yet? Tap. I definitely would have annoyed my friend by now. Tap. This is making a scratch clicker game in 1 hour. Starting now. Alright, so I don't really need a rush, but it'd be a better idea to rush so I could get more done and stuff. I plan on making this like we exit out of virus windows. And yeah, you have to click on X, which is hard to code in Scratch, but I figured it out. Here, I took 5 minutes to draw that. I hope you're proud of me. Alright, so now I need to code the scripts. Those classic scripts. You can actually do with set size and the plus, but I'm not going to do that. And this is the detection on the X, because you can't do that in Sprite. You can't detect if, like, I'd have to create multiple clones and stuff, and that'd be so complicated. So all you have to do is literally just, if you hover over it, it'll be detected. And when the thing receives a click, if it's detected, then it's deleted. Scratch add-ons is like really glitchy these days. I've said that before. I just don't know what to say because I'm recording this after I made the game, so I'm just saying stuff to be filler in the empty video so you're not soundless. Should I just add epic music? And here I am searching up a Windows background because I am not going to make one on my own. You cannot make me. And yeah, these are all the things. I blurred out my stuff. I could have not blurred it out or just blurred out some part, but I'm not going to do that. Here I'm pausing it because it's a GIF file, and I'm not wasting time waiting for that thing to turn into a PNG because that's so annoying how they do that. You know, I am back in action. You see I'm uploading it. I think it looks really cool. I just wish it wasn't so blurry. And whenever making games, I think that looks really cool way too much. So tell me in the comments if you think I do. Please. More comments, more views. So spam them comments, boys. So I'm making the buy buttons and stuff, like where you get upgrade buttons. Yeah, that. And yeah, I'm gonna have to make a whole shop screen because the way I made the game, it would just be like unethical is the word, I think, for like the windows spawn like random places and they might spawn on top of it, and I'm not going to find some way to code that out of it. So yeah. Future me, that'd probably be really easy, but I'm just lazy, and plus it'd look ugly. So whatever. 33 minutes through, and it's only like 2 minutes. So I turned an hour footage into 5 minutes, and probably less than an hour. My computer crashed 3 times during doing that. A school laptop with less RAM than you could possibly imagine. Anywho, silence, I guess. I made a shop button and an exit button. Unless I just zoned out while talking and didn't see the time when I was making that. 42 minutes through, and you're only 6 minutes and 24 seconds of the video. Isn't that crazy? As you can see, it's working, and they're popping up everywhere. And you can see how many clones there are. There's a lot. I can see I'm adding a clone limit, so that way not too many clones can spawn. Oh yeah, and I'm making a shop. That'll just make the shop look way better. I really like making clicker games, but they stop being fun for me because nobody likes clicker games. If I waste so much time on clicker games, people barely play clicker games. I'm really good at making them, but I don't find motivation to anymore. That's why I'm working on bigger projects that most of the time I don't even finish, which is bad. I finished one. You can put on itch.io. Yep, free advertisement here. Well, now that I speak of, this video is sponsored by Greg. Oh, thank you for our sponsors for sponsoring this video. Let's continue with the game. Oh, I don't think I added a limit yet to the clones, so they're stacking up. I need to start speaking for the future. I'm spoiling it. Can you hear that background, guys? That's a train. This is stronger. Should I just cue the epic music again? Go! Such lovely words. Yeah, I'm finding a new one because the other one's blowy, but this one's even blowier, so what the Shrek. As you can see, I have less than 30 seconds. I do not know what to do, so I'm just acting like I'm doing something so it doesn't look like I'm wasting time, and so I look smart. I probably should not have told you that, but I did. So don't get mad at me. Oh, I'm adding a fade transition. I have to do that in 10 seconds. Ooh, can I do it? Cue the epic music again. I'm not adding that. No, not again. And it's been 1 hour. An hour and 6 seconds. I don't know how the studio movie or something do it exactly on time, but yeah, here's the game. I absolutely hate this game. I could have done so much better. I just hate it so much. It's so boring. You know, people really gonna wait 2 minutes to get enough for anything. I hate this. You probably put it on Scratch if I share it. And that was making 3 different games in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and then an hour. That sounded dumb. But I did it. So hooray for me. I'm not gonna do it with clickers again, okay? You cannot make me. Alright, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye. And also, episode 4 of adding my viewer suggestions to this game is gonna come out a little later because someone suggested something really complex. And I wasn't even able to add the complex thing, and I just gave up. But it will be done within this week, so do not worry. Or maybe next week. Maybe next month. Or next year. Or next century. Or
Look at me as I'm standing here. I got happy on my face, I got nothing to fear. I got my legs, eyes, ears, my teeth and gums. I got 6 working fingers and opposable thumbs. Life can make you smile. Whoa, look around and you'll see it everywhere I sit. Life can make you smile. So I carry on smiling cause I